Angle grinders are very versatile power tools capable of handling a variety of projects. In this video, we will conduct tests on 7 popular angle grinders from Bosch, Makita, Metabo, and others so you know which to look for, or avoid before buying. The speed test will measure how long it takes to cut a half-inch water pipe 10 times. The endurance test will determine how many cuts can be made on a single battery charge. Additionally, we will assess the overall build quality of each product. Let's dive right in. Bosch AdvancedGrind 18 volts, 80. The Bosch Universal Grind 18 volts, 80 is a flexible angle grinder with electronic speed selection, allowing for perfect tool speed adjustment based on the material. Weight, 2.3 kilograms. Battery in the test, 18 volts, 4 amp hour. Speed, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 16. Cuts per amp hour, 4. Build quality, average. Verdict. Speed, 6. Endurance, 4. Build quality, 5. Safety, 5. Overall rating, 5 out of 10. The Bosch machine stands out as the sole contender that offers the option to adjust the RPM, enabling it to reach the highest rotations per minute in the test. Nonetheless, it frequently encounters issues with discs getting stuck, hampering its speed and efficiency in operation. Einhell AXX10 125Q. The Einhell AXX10 125Q cordless angle grinder is a reliable companion for tasks in the workshop, at home, and in the garage. Weight, 2.6 kilograms. Battery in the test, 18 volt, 4 amp hour. Speed, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 51. Cuts per amp hour, 13. Build quality, average. Verdict. Speed, 7. Endurance, 10. Build quality, 5. Safety, 4. Overall rating, 6.9 out of 10. This Einhell machine offers a great balance between affordability and performance. However, it lacks a mechanism to stop the spindle when the motor shuts down, causing the cutting disc to spin for an extra 3.5 seconds. Nevertheless, it remains a solid purchase. Makita DGA506. The Makita DGA506 is a lightweight, but robust 125mm cordless grinder, with excellent overload protection. Thanks to its efficient carbon brushless motor with electronic control, this 18 volts tool delivers almost the same performance as a corded model. Weight, 2.7 kilograms. Battery in the test, 18 volt, 5 amp hour. Speed, 1 minute and 26 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 53. Cuts per amp hour, 11. Build quality, good. Verdict. Speed, 8. Endurance, 8. Build quality, 9. Safety, 10. Overall, 8.7 out of 10. This sleek and well-designed machine runs smoothly and feels comfortable in your hands, with its user-friendly buttons and grips. With top-notch safety features, it offers great value for your money, although it falls slightly short of the top performer. Metabo WB 18 liters TBL 11 to 125 quick. A brushless cordless angle grinder featuring a fast brake system for maximum user safety, a detachable dust protection filter to shield the motor from coarse particles, and a soft start. Weight, 2.9 kilograms. Battery in the test, 18 volt, 5.5 amp hour. Speed, 1 minute and 4 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 71. Cuts per amp hour, 13. Build quality, great. Verdict. Speed, 10. Endurance, 10. Build quality, 10. Safety, 10. Overall, 10 out of 10. Metabo's machine despite being the priciest in the test, lives up to high expectations. This test champion excels in all 4 subtests, and achieves the top overall rating. Ryobi RAG18X. The Ryobi angle grinder offers safety features such as kickback protection when the disc jams, line lockout to prevent automatic startup after power loss, and a soft start. Attach the cutting guard to the grinding guard for added spark protection during cutting. Weight, 2.6 kilograms. Battery in the test, 18 volt, 3 amp hour. Speed, 1 minute and 4 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 35. Cuts per amp hour, 12. Build quality, above average. Verdict. Speed, 10. Endurance, 9. Build quality, 7. Safety, 8. Overall, 8.7 out of 10. Ryobi performs like a sprinter who starts with incredible speed and vigor, but gradually loses momentum as the battery depletes. Skil 3930. The Skil 3930 is a powerful cordless angle grinder compatible with 125mm discs. It excels in easy and controlled grinding and cutting. Weight, 2.7 kilograms. Battery in the test, 20 volt, 4 amp hour. Speed, 1 minute and 12 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 51. Cuts per amp hour, 13. Build quality, average. Verdict. Speed, 9. Endurance, 10. Build quality, 5. Safety, 6. Overall, 7.9 out of 10. Skil operates with stability and minimal friction, but has a notably extended spindle stopping time. The motor is brushless, includes a filter, and offers versatility with an attachable auxiliary handle. Regrettably, it's constructed from hard plastic without a non-slip rubber coating. Worx WX813. The new Worx WX813 is one of the lightest and most compact tools in its class, delivering the same grinding performance as a corded tool. Weight, 2.1 kilograms. Battery in the test, 20 volt, 2 amp hour. Speed, 2 minute and 0 seconds. Endurance. Number of cuts per charge, 22. Cuts per amp hour, 11. Build quality, below average. Verdict. Speed, 6. Endurance, 8. Build quality, 3. Safety, 7. Overall, 6.2 out of 10. Designed with user safety and comfort in mind, the Worx machine falls short in terms of power, and frequently experiences disc jams during cutting, making tasks more laborious. Despite featuring a brushless motor and a filter, the buttons and materials used give off a budget impression. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.